Imagine a scientist that never sleeps, never eats, never takes a coffee break. And in the last 12 months, this scientist discovered over 100 new planets, designed brand new antibiotics against superbugs, cracked the code of how proteins actually move inside your body, and found materials that could replace lithium-ion batteries forever. There's no test tube involved, no lab coat, no PhD. This scientist is pure artificial intelligence, and it's transforming scientific discovery faster than anything in human history. Welcome to the age of AI-powered science. Imagine going to the hospital for a routine surgery and dying because the bacteria inside your body are resistant to every drug we have. That nightmare scenario is called antimicrobial resistance, and the World Health Organization calls it one of the top global health threats. But here's the good news. AI is fighting back. Researchers at the University of Pennsylvania and MIT developed an AI tool called Apex that searches through ancient microbial genomes, DNA from bacteria that lived tens of thousands of years ago, to find hidden antibiotic molecules. And it worked. In February 2026, AI flagged a powerful new antibiotic molecule that kills MRSA, the notorious superbug that kills tens of thousands of people every year. Swiss researchers used a similar approach to discover another new antibiotic class. What used to take decades of trial and error now takes weeks of AI computation. This is the beginning of the end for the antibiotic drought. You've probably heard of AlphaFold, the AI that solved protein folding and won the Nobel Prize. But here's what most people don't know. Knowing a protein's shape is like seeing a single photograph of a dancer. You have no idea how they move. And for medicine, it's the motion that matters. In May 2026, researchers at EPFL in Switzerland unveiled LD-FPG, an AI that generates complete all-atom models of proteins in motion for the first time ever. This AI uses a graph neural network, think of it as a social network for atoms, to learn how every single atom in a protein shifts, vibrates, and changes shape. They modeled the dopamine D2 receptor, a major drug target for Parkinson's and schizophrenia, in both active and inactive states. At MIT, a second AI called VibeGen emerged in March that lets scientists design entirely new proteins by specifying how they should move. Imagine designing a protein that flexes in exactly the right way to grab a virus and neutralize it. That's now possible. This is the next frontier of drug design. In May 2026, astronomers at the University of Warwick published something extraordinary. Using a new AI pipeline called Raven, they analyzed 2.2 million stars from NASA's TESS mission and validated 118 new planets. 31 of these are completely brand new worlds. But here's the part that's hard to wrap your head around. Raven also identified over 2,000 high-quality planet candidates, nearly 1,000 of which had never been spotted before. These include ultra-short period planets that orbit their star in less than 24 hours and worlds in the Neptunian desert, a region of space so barren of planets that scientists thought it was nearly empty. Raven is trained on hundreds of thousands of simulated planets and false signals, learning to tell the difference between a real planet and a cosmic imposter. A human astronomer might spend weeks validating a single candidate. Raven does thousands at once, with 10 times lower uncertainty than previous methods. Just yesterday, June 30, 2026, Anthropic, the company behind Claude AI, announced they're launching their own internal drug discovery program called Claude Science. But here's the twist. They're not going after blockbuster drugs for rich markets. They're targeting neglected diseases, the ones traditional pharmaceutical companies ignore because there's not enough profit. This is a public benefit company using AI to go where the market won't. Anthropic's AI drug discovery program joins Google's Isomorphic Labs and Microsoft's AI health initiatives in a race that's reshaping medicine. But Anthropic is doing something different. By doing drug discovery themselves, they create what they call tight feedback loops. Their AI learns what it's like to actually develop drugs, making the AI better for everyone. The first AI-designed drugs from companies like Recursion and In Silico Medicine have already entered clinical trials. By 2030, experts predict AI will discover over 30% of all new drugs. Lithium-ion batteries power everything from your phone to your electric car. But lithium is expensive, environmentally destructive to mine, and concentrated in only a few countries. Scientists have been searching for alternatives for years with limited success. Until AI stepped in. Researchers at the New Jersey Institute of Technology built a dual AI system that combines a crystal diffusion model with a large language model to screen millions of potential battery materials. The result? 5 entirely new porous transition metal oxide structures that can host magnesium, calcium, aluminum, and zinc ions, each carrying 2 or 3 times the charge of lithium. These multivalent ion batteries could store significantly more energy than lithium-ion while using abundant, cheap materials. The AI did in weeks what would have taken human researchers decades of trial and error. And the same dual AI method can be applied to discover materials for solar cells, electronics, and clean energy solutions. So there you have it. AI is no longer just a chatbot or an image generator. It's discovering planets in distant solar systems, designing antibiotics to save us from superbugs, modeling the very machinery of life inside our cells, and inventing the batteries that will power our sustainable future. The most exciting part? This is just the beginning. Every month brings new breakthroughs because AI improves faster than any human scientist ever could. This is the greatest acceleration of scientific discovery in the history of our species. And you're watching it happen in real time.